This is another video that I'm going to go ahead and release and do. And this video is talking about understanding your origins and who you really are. And getting that concept, not a concept, getting this truth recognized and understood. That will begin to free you up from a lot of this trauma and negativity. And it will allow you to have some type of authority over your situations as a holy sacred being. So what you want to do is begin to understand that you are free. First of all, free from your past, 100%. Free from seconds ago, free from minutes ago. You're free from your past. You're free from your past. I'm going to say that because I need to understand that. I need to understand that I'm not a victim to my past. I'm not a victim to my past experiences. And I'm not going to continue to allow myself to be a victim of my past experiences. I'm not going to keep reliving trauma over and over again when I'm divine. So what I want to say is getting to the very essence of who you are as a being. Now, think upon this. You did not come from your parents alone. Your parents have an origin. Their parents have an origin, and so on and so forth. So there is, I like my hand. My hands are, I like to talk with my hands, but I just want to put that in there. But there's an origin for that. It comes from Source, God, all that is, the Supreme Creator, the whatever you want to call this power. Your physical body. Now, we're not even go to the multidimensional bodies. Your physical body, if you begin to understand, is composed of space stuff. Your body comes from the infinite. Your body comes from the eternal. The minerals that give your body electrical charge for your electrical system, for your electrical meridians to function. The actual nutrients that go into your body to create a cell. Like that particular, that has divine origins. The root of who you are is Source, God, Creator, all that is, or whoever you call. I'm waiting on the bus because the bus has been like just kept driving by. But whoever you call your higher power, that's your origin. Your parents just allowed a portal for you to come through. But you have an origin. And that origin is from space. It's from the cosmos. It's from the different components of space stuff. That's the only thing I can say. You come from space. You're in the middle of space. You're in the middle of the void, the abyss. That's where you are. So you have to get that understood. It's about rearranging your perspective and having the right perspective, the correct perspective. That will assist you in making higher, holier choices, in actualizing your divinity, or allowing yourself to be who you truly are in your divine essence, the very nature of why you incarnated on this planet. I'm not making this shit up. You are made of space stuff. You come from Source, creator, God, all that is who you are. That is who you are. That can never be changed. It can never be manipulated. It can never be augmented. It can never be forfeited. It can never be anything. It can never, that will always be you. You have to understand that though. You have to register that information into the thought process. Allow your mind to begin to wake up from dormancy by you understanding that you are space stuff. You're made of your very body comes from source, God, all that is. That's your origins. Your origins is not the United States or the earth. You come from the whole idea. Because we don't know what else is out there. We're not being properly educated on the nature of reality. So, putting yourself, allowing yourself to be, to not accept possibility, which opens up opportunities for you to actualize your potentials as divinity incarnate. Because that's what you are. And nothing less. So that is what I'm going to leave with you, because this is what I've been thinking about all day. I just was thinking, going through the thought process and saying, all right, let me get some things understood. Let me get some things understood about me. I'm looking around, but let me get some things understood about me so that I can begin to deal with these types of self-imposed blocks. Because you are God or divinity. No one can block you but you. You're the only one that can stop your forward movement in time and space or in the infinite realms. You're the only one that can stop that. No one else can do that. It's you. That's another way that you begin to take your power or your authority back from the environment as far as it being harmful to you. You have to take your authority back and say, okay, I'm not a victim. No, I'm not going to victimize myself. I am divinity incarnate. I am divine. Look at what my physical body is composed of. And where it comes from. That is when you begin to dig deeper into who you are. Because you just need to know who you are. You just have been infiltrated. And that's not even, you allow that too. Take your power back. Take your authority back. So that's what I have for right now. And enjoy the rest of your day, and hopefully this will help someone. Bye.